What's up, Wayne Barron here with Dark Effects Studios, and today we're going to be taking a look at Adobe's new CC, Creative Cloud. And what we have is that we've got several bugs. Now, it could just be my systems. However, not both of them. So I got my laptop, which is an M6800 by Dell, and it's got 20 gigs of RAM in it, and I've got the rest of the specs to be right here. Then I've got the HP sitting over here, which is a Z210 or it's a Z something. Either way, both systems show the same issue, and that is whenever you launch Adobe Audition or you launch Adobe After Effects, they both crash, and there's no way around it. They just simply crash. So we're going to take a look at that right now. So over here on my HP system, I've already updated everything on the Dell 6800, but we're going to take a look at the Audition sitting over here on this system. And then that way you can actually see the crash actually happen. So it's not doing nothing, and all of a sudden it shows not responding. Now it will stay like this forever. It's not going to change. Nothing's happening. However, we go into the log file. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to watch this one create itself as we close out of it. And so go ahead and close the program. We're going to go ahead and create a brand new log, which is going to be this one right here. And there we go. So we got this new log file right here. However, it's not really, I don't know what the heck I'm looking for. So I don't work for Adobe's support system. So we got the shutdown log dialog right there. Then we got our crash report Adobe log file path. And there's not really any other information available for this. Now, if we come over here and we do the same thing with After Effects, over here to Adobe, let's open up After Effects, and it does the same exact thing. Okay, so we get this continue with known issue, and there we go, not responding. It's almost like the welcome window that you usually get. It's almost like that is happening, but it's not showing it. And so the way to get around this issue, close program, the way to get around this issue is that if we open up the Creative Cloud and then we come over, so we go over to Audition and we choose to other versions, and this one right here, 22.1.1, we click to install that one. It's automatically going to uninstall the new version, and it's going to revert back to the older version. Okay, so we got the new version is installed. So we're going to come over here. We're going to go ahead and launch the new version. Oh, I'm sorry, the previous version. And this right here will show you that it does work on this system, and we're going to choose no for that. And see this welcome screen right here. This welcome screen that is showing right now, I think that is being hid in the newer version. And so with that being hid, it's locking up. It's freezing because you have no access to it. And so once we close out of the welcome screen, then we can come over here and then we can start working with Adobe Audition. And the same with After Effects. We can come over here inside of After Effects, and then we can do the same thing. We can go to another version, and we can go to 22.2 on up. So 22 after 22.1.1, everything after that does not work on neither one of my systems. Okay, so now let's take a look at After Effects, the previous version, and this is the 22.1.1 version. Just let's go ahead and continue with known issues. It says warning. Okay, this dialog box right here, I think this is being hid behind the After Effects window because this does not show, as you saw in the previous two versions. This is not showing. So I think this is being hid. So we go ahead and choose OK. And Now we get our welcome screen. The welcome screen works like it's supposed to. So I think everything is being hid behind the main window. So let's go ahead and close out of that. I have not tested out Premiere Pro because Premiere Pro is a heavy duty program as well. I know that Photoshop, I have no issues with Photoshop because I was able to load the new version of Photoshop. So let's go ahead and do the continue with known issues. Okay, so Adobe Premiere Pro has the same issue. Let's go ahead and close out of it. So we would have to revert back to the Adobe Premiere Pro previous version in order to use it. Okay, this is 1.2, so that should work because that's just 0.1 version above what we have been using. Let's go ahead and install this one. If this one doesn't work, then it's going to be this one right here. So we're going to go ahead and revert back to that one. But yeah, so that's the issue, is that I believe that the dialogues are not showing up in the new versions of After Effects, Audition, and most likely inside of Premiere Pro as well. And I'm not sure about the rest of the programs, but they are the ones that we just tested just now that demonstrates the issue that I have been encountering for the last couple of days. But as you can tell, reverting back to the previous versions, everything works like it's supposed to. The dialogues appear, the welcome screens appear, and I'm able to go back and continue my work. Okay, as you can tell, we got our welcome screen. This is a Premiere Pro 22.1.2. So this did indeed work. And if we come over here and we choose the X, we can come over here, we can create a new project, and we can start working. So there is indeed a bug with the welcome screens or dialogues not appearing whenever we launch the newer versions of these programs. I am Wayne Barron for Dark Effects Studios inside of Adobe Creative Cloud 2022. There is an issue. We'll talk to you all in a bit. Bye bye.